Hello everyone, and thank you so much for stopping by. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on Morphe's 5-piece brow kit. And I picked this up about a week ago and I've been testing it out so I can give you my full thoughts and opinion on the kit. So I'm going to go ahead and give you some information from Morphe's site. So if you buy the full kit, which includes 5 pieces, it'll include the brow cream, the brow gel, the highlight, a brush, and the brow pencil. And this full kit retails for $18 and you save $6 versus if you buy it separate. If you buy it separate, the brow cream is $6 and it comes in 7 different shades. Then you can get the brow finishing gel in translucent for $6. The micro brow pencil, which also comes in 7 shades, and that one retails for $5. The highlighter stick comes in 4 different shades and you can get those for $4. And the brush, I believe, was like $4 or something like that. It doesn't tell me right here, but usually Morphe brushes are super cheap. I believe the girl told me that the only new products were the brow cream and the translucent gel. All the other ones had already been part of the line, but I never even heard of them. I didn't even know they had brow products. So I do have a store in my mall, so it's really easy for me to pick up Morphe products whenever it is that I want to either try them out or pick, restock or pick whatever up. But you can also buy them online. However, I do see that a lot of them are showing out of stock at the moment, but Morphe restocks super often, so I'm sure they'll get them back in stock. I picked my kit up in Java. One thing that I did want to point out is the packaging. I don't like it. So it comes with a box that will look like this, and then when you open it, it comes with a tissue paper and all the products are kind of wrapped inside of it like this. And I honestly thought that was really cheap for Morphe to do. I don't know if that's just the thing that my store was doing or that's something that all Morphe's doing as a whole. So if you order it online or in another store, you'll get it the same. I have no idea, but I feel like they could have made it look a little bit better than so cheap. It's not a big deal, I just didn't like that. Okay, so I am wearing all 5 products on my brows today, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you how it is that I use all 5 products. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the brows, and the way I'm going to do is I'm going to be using pencil on one and then the brow cream on the other, and then just do the gel on both sides. Okay, so I'm going to start on this brow here, left with the pencil. Okay, so we got one brow done. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the cream one now. And I'm going to be using the brush that came with the set. Alright, and here is the second brow. So this one we did it with the cream, and this one we did it with the pencil. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest on my face, and then we'll come back to do the gel and then the highlight on the brow bone. Okay, so I went ahead and did the rest of my face, and I'm gonna go ahead and finish my brows, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Oh Brow Baby and the highlighting stick and put that on the bottom here. Okay, so I did that side with my finger. I'm gonna do the other side with a brush. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go ahead and do the gel on both brows. Okay, so that's one brow with the gel, one brow without the gel. So as you guys can see, the only issue that I have is that these little hairs kind of, you know, go down, and that's why I like using the gel, because it kind of keeps them where I kind of want them to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick. Alright, so both brows are now done. We used all 5 products that came in the kit, and now I'm going to give you my final thoughts. So this is not the first time that I use these. I've been using them pretty much every time that I've been doing my makeup, just to kind of test them out and see which one I prefer. And I've been actually preferring the brow cream a lot more than the brow pencil, which is a little strange because I usually go more for the brow pencils than the brow creams. But for this kit, I feel like the brow pencil kind of gives you like a bit more of a harsh fill-in, versus the brow cream gives me more of a natural brow look. For me, out of this kit, I prefer the brow cream. They're definitely not the exact same shade, because I feel like the brow cream goes on lighter than the brow pencil. So maybe if I picked up like a lighter brow pencil, I would like it more. I'm not sure. I like both of them. I'm going to continue to use both of them. It just really depends on your preference, what you prefer your brows to look like. For me, I like how the brow cream looked a little better than the brow pencil, but I would definitely recommend both. They're both really good. I wore them for like the whole day. The gel locks them in place and they don't budge. Like, they don't smear, they don't smudge. I even touched them, like showing my sister, oh look, you know, they don't come off, and they didn't come off on my fingers. They don't smear, so they're really good. I really like them. I'm probably gonna continue to reach for them, and for the price, I probably will rebuy them. I would definitely recommend them. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, I would appreciate if you would do so, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.